First, we'll discuss customer master. Okay. Customer master. So here we are going to learn how to create the customers and whatever the fields we are having in the customer master. Right. So how, whatever the changes we need to do. So if any field I have changed, so that change will appear in the which field. So that also we are going to learn in customer master. Okay. So the customer master, the T code to create the customer is, okay, to create the T code is XT01, and also we are having a path as well. Okay. And to change, if you want to change the details of the any customer, then we'll use XD03, sorry, XD02. And for display, if you want to know only for display, if you want to know any detail, if you want to see any detail, then we'll use this display T. Okay. The T code is XD03. So these are the T codes we are having in the customer master. So if you want to create any customer, then we'll use this T code XD01. And if you want to change any detail of the particular customer, then we'll go to that customer and we'll change the details. And if you want to know any detail of the particular customer, and we'll go to that XT03 and we'll get to know the detail and we'll take it. Okay, so these are the T codes, and I will show you the path as well. So from the path, so first I will show you the path, then you can use the T code as well. Okay. Here, so we are in easy access screen. So now we need to go to the logistics. So here, go to the logistics, and next we need to go to the sales and distribution. And next go to the master data. And next we will go to the business partner. And next we'll go to the customer. And here you can see create, change, and display. So these are XD01, XD02, and XD03. Just click on create, and you can click on any code here. This account group overview, and here just select the standard one. Okay, 0001, just select. So here you can see the company code here. Okay. So here we need to maintain company code. Then only we can able to see the company code data of the particular customer. Right. So now, so maintain your sales area. Just click on enter. And here you can see general data and company code data and sales area data. So three data we can able to see. So in the general data, we can able to see all these customer related address data, right? The contacts details, right? All these we can able to see in the general data. And company code data. So these data we can able to see here. All these GL accounts we can able to see. This company code data is completely related to the FI consultant. So these FI consultant will use this company code data. Okay, in real time. Okay, so in general data we are having so many tabs. We are having 7 tabs. We are having address data, control data, payment transaction, marketing, unloading point, and export data and contacts. So this address data is controlling by the SD consultant only. So whatever the address he need to maintain, so that completely responsible for SD consultant only. Okay, so if you want to change the address data, or if you want to add any fields here, right, this completely is going to take care by the SD consultant. Okay. Next, control data is also, and this payment transaction is related to FI consultant. So we are not going to maintain any field in the control data and payment transaction. So first I will maintain the title here. So a customer title. So you can maintain our customer title. You can maintain our customer is Apollo Pharma. Okay. So he is our customer. System will maintain. So house number. So he's from some other city. So maintain house number. So region is also Hyderabad. Region you can maintain. So these are the details we need to maintain, customer details. And next we'll move to the control data. Just click on enter. Okay, this control data is completely maintained by the FI consultant. So we don't have any required fields of SD related fields. So just ignore this control data. So this is related to FI team. And payment transaction. So this is also related to FI team. So here they will maintain the payment details of the customer, bank details and all. And next, this marketing data and unloading point and export data, contact person. These 4 is completely related to SD consultant only. Only these 2 is related to FI team and others completely related to SD consultant. Okay, so here we'll maintain marketing details, this Nelson ID. We'll show you. So what is this Nelson ID? What is this customer classification? So I will explain all this, okay, in the next class. Okay, so as of now, we'll see how to create a customer with these unloading points. So here we'll maintain all the customer details, where we are unloading that particular material. I mean, the delivery location and the factory calendar will assign here calendar. So in particular weekends, we need to do delivery, or Monday or Tuesday, or morning to evening session, or only 10 to 11, or evening 7 to 8. So that all delivery details we need to maintain here. Okay. So in unloading point, so export data. So here, if our customer is in other country, so these export data we are going to use. The country will maintain the TDO date. So all this. Okay. And contact person details, name, first name, department, and all. So whom we are delivering, so whom we are going to contact if you want to do the delivery, that details we need to maintain. So these are the tabs we are having in the general, 7 tabs. The 5 tabs is required for the SD consultant, and remaining 2 is related to the FIT. The next, company code data. So in the company code data, so only 2 fields are there, which is related to SD consultant. So, and this completely 4 tabs is maintained by the FI team only. The complete company code data is related to FI consultant, the finance consultant. So here only this reconciliation account field is there. So the GL account we need to maintain here. The GL accounts are created by the FI team. So that GL account will propose to us. So that GL account we need to maintain here. So our role is, so whatever the GL account they have created for this customer, so that GL account we need to assign here. Okay. So just we'll take 1,40,000, and next we'll go to the payment transaction. Next step. So actually, if you maintain a reconciliation account for the first time, you will get one error. Okay. So we'll see. You can see, right? So what it is proposing. So entry X100 and 1,40,000 GL account does not exist in the SKB1. So it is proposing. So these GL account, it is not there in this X100 company code. Okay. So you need to solve this error. So what is the steps we need to maintain for this? So first we need to check, does our common distribution channels are maintained or not, and common divisions we need to check. And also next, we are having some T codes. Those also we need to check. So this is our first error we'll get in the customer master. Error 1. Okay. So we'll see the solution now. So what we need to do first, we need to check the common divisions. Okay. First step. Step 1. Common distribution channel we'll check. Distribution channel and division we need to check. This is the first step. And second step, step number 2. So we need to go to the OBY6. So step 3, we need to follow the path. Okay, so we'll see one by one. The step 1, we need to see the common distribution channel and common division. We just take the new session /o SPRO. Open here and go to the reference ING. So when you do assignments, it will copy, but in some cases it will not copy. So we need to check that. Okay. So SPRO, next go to the sales and distribution. Here, sales and distribution, and then we'll go to master data. And next we'll have master data. So define common distribution channel, define common divisions. Okay. First we'll see define common distribution channels. So go to the position and check our sales organization. Just click on enter. Does it maintained or not? Okay, so the common distribution channels are maintained. So these are distribution channel X2, X3, X4, and these are the common distribution channels we have maintained. So it is already copied. So it is there. No need to maintain. So the error is not in this distribution channel. Okay, next we'll check the common division as well. So define common division. So the position, maintain our sales organization. Just click on enter. So the common divisions also assigned here. So the error is not here. The first step is we have checked. The error is not here. The second step is OBY6. Action OBY6 is a T code. Where we need to go? So this is OB by 6. So here, go to the position. So maintain our company code. And next, double click on it. Company code. So this is related to FI consultant error. So in real time, they will solve it. Okay. So now here we need to maintain some fields are there, some important fields are there. If you want to solve this error, so those fields we need to maintain. So chart of accounts we need to maintain INT and fiscal year variant. So we are having two fiscal year variants here, V3 and K4. Okay. So what is V3 and what is K4? So we are having fiscal year variant. Fiscal year variant. Fiscal year variant. So what are the fiscal year variants we are having? V3 and K4. So V3 means Indian financial year. Okay. Indian financial year. Okay. So V3. So when our Indian financial year will start, from which month it will start? Okay. So Indian financial year starts from April to March. That means our first month is April and our 12th month is March. Okay, as per our Indian financial year, right? So in real time, we'll calculate. So our financial year starts from April. That means as per our financial year, April is our first month. Okay, so we need to calculate. So April is our first month. So as per our current month, in which month we are in? As per our Indian calendar, August means April, May, June, July, August. That means we are in fifth month as per our Indian financial year. Right. So next K4. So K4 is US financial year. Financial year. Okay. So US financial year starts from January to December. Okay. Jan to December. So for them, Jan is the first month and December is the 12th month. Okay. So whatever the requirement you are having, that you need to maintain. So if you want to maintain V3, then V3 means you need to calculate April is your first month, August is your fifth month. Like this, you need to calculate. And K4, if you maintain, means January is the first month and December is the 12th month. August is our 8th month, like that. So I am maintaining K4 only, so we'll get confused. Otherwise, we maintain V3 means we'll get confused. Okay, just as of now, I'm maintaining K4. So while doing practice, then you can maintain V3 as well. Okay. So V3 means you need to calculate as per our financial year. Okay. So here, the financial year will maintain K4. I'm maintaining. Okay. So K4. So next here, the field status variant we need to maintain 1000 and posting period variant we need to maintain 1000. So these four steps we need to maintain in the OB by 6 and just click on enter and save it. So second step is also done. And the third step, we need to follow the path. So what is the path? So go to that SPRO /N SPRO and go to the financial accounting new. Difference IMG and financial accounting new. So here you can see financial accounting new. This error is completely related to the FI team. So they will solve it in the real time. Okay. So financial accounting new. And next we need to go to the general ledger accounting new. This one, general ledger accounting new. And next the master data. And next GL accounts. And next GL account creation and processing. And next we'll go to the alternative methods. Next copy GL accounts. And next copy company code. So we will copy from the company codes. So here, so we'll maintain our company code. So company code X100 and we are copy from. So whatever the GL account, the GL accounts are having in the standard company code. Okay. So whatever the GL accounts are there in the standard company code, I am just copying all the GL accounts to my company code. Okay. Because in real time, in this scenario, we don't have any FI team, right? So that's why I'm just copying the standard GL accounts and I will use the GL accounts. Okay. So here you will maintain the standard company code, that is 1000. And next, you need to uncheck this test run and you need to execute it. Now you can see we will get some warning. You are making a production run. Just ignore it and just click on enter and save it. Now all the GL accounts are copied to our X100. Now we won't get the GL account error. Because what the error is saying that the error is saying that the GL account is not there in your company code. Because I have created newly, right? So I have not maintained any GL accounts in my company. So now what I'm doing, so whatever the standard company codes are having the GL accounts, I'm copying to my company code. So now I'm having all the company codes here. Standard company codes, I can use it. Okay, so in real time, the GL accounts will create by the FI team. So we in the future classes, we are going to see how to create a GL account as well. Okay, so you can see account something has been created for company code X100. That means the GL accounts copied. You can check, you can go back and you can see all the GL accounts are copied. You can see number of GL accounts, all the GL accounts. So 1,40,000 is also there here. So because I have maintained 1,40,000, so in the system it has proposed in the X100 it is not there. Now I have copied all the GL account. So in the GL account 1,40,000 is also there. So now we won't get any error now. Okay, so again I'll click on enter now. Again, I'll try to move. Now you can see it is allowed now. So previous it will not allowed because it is a mandatory field. So until you maintain the reconciliation account, so system will not allow. That is the thing. And next here in this tab, we need to maintain terms of payment. That is 0001 we need to maintain. So this is the agreement between company and the customer about the payment. Okay, so that we'll see all the fields we'll see. Okay, in the next session. And that's it. These two fields we need to maintain in the account management, the reconciliation account we need to maintain, and the payment transaction, the terms of payment we need to maintain in the company code data. And sales area data. The sales area data is completely related to SD consultant. All we are going to maintain. Okay, these tabs, 4 tabs we are having: sales tab, shipping tab, billing tab, and partner function tab. So here we'll maintain sales office. So sales office we already created X100, right? Sales group X10. Okay. And next, go to the shipping. So here we need to maintain shipping condition 01. So I will explain you all these fields. What are the fields we are having? Okay. So we'll see now next class. Just I'm showing you how to create a custom. So these fields are mandatory to maintain while creating a custom. Okay. So delivering plan. From which plan we are going to deliver the material. That plan we need to maintain. And next, and go to the billing document. So here we'll maintain Incoterms. So this is also an agreement between customer and the consignee and the consignor. So consignee means whoever doing the shipping. So that person and the a particular customer who we are going to deliver it. So in between these two customers, this is an agreement. Okay. So CAF, cost, insurance, and freight. So Hyderabad shipping one, you can maintain location. In terms of payment, 0001. And next, partner functions. You can see internal number and still a customer is not saved. So now you can see. So I will show you that what is these partner functions as well in next class. So I'm saving it. Now you can see we'll get our customer number automatically from our number range. So you can see what is the number 100360. So it is created in this company code and in this sales area only. So if you enter other sales area, the system will not allow. It will propose because this customer we have created only for particular sales area X100, X2, X2 combination. Okay, so if you maintain X2, X3, then system will propose error. So this is how we are going to create a customer, and you can see the change mode as well. So from here, change mode. So just maintain your customer details. So XD02 as well. So change mode is nothing but XD02, right? So customer number you need to maintain and company code and sales area. Then click on enter. So it will show the details of the customer, and you can able to change anything. So 0001 to 0002 or CFI2. CIR like that. You can maintain anything. You can able to change here. Okay. So it will allow to change as well, right? So now we are having one more P code that is XD03. Okay. So that is the display mode. Okay. Just click on the display. And so the same maintain customer number and company code and sales area and click on enter. So now it will not allow. So it is in complete display mode. Okay. So the system will not allow to change here. So this is complete display mode here. Okay. System will not allow to change. Only we can able to view the data in XD03. Just assume that if I enter any wrong sales area.
So I have created this customer in this sales area, right? For example, I will maintain one more combination. You can see the system will not allow. So you can see. So you can see the customer has been not created for the sales area X100, X2, X3 because we have created only the particular sales area X100, X2, X2 combination only. Okay, so if you want to extend, you can extend as well. So that we'll see in the next class. Okay.